Nederlandse Zuurkool. Potato and sauerkraut Dutch oven casserole. A side dish from Netherlands. You will need 10 ingredients. Serves 4. Step 1. Peel and cube potatoes. Place in Dutch oven. Add water and sauerkraut. Bring to boil. Step 2. Clean carrots and cut into small strips. After potatoes and sauerkraut have boiled for 15 minutes, add carrots and raisins. Step 3. Continue to boil for 10 minutes on medium heat. Step 4. Meanwhile, peel, core and cube apples. Add apples, thyme, salt and pepper to the sauerkraut mixture. Step 5. Continue to boil for 5 minutes. Cube the cheese. Drain all of the moisture from the Dutch oven and seach in cheese. Mix for 1 minute and serve. Step 6. Best served with pork chops or sausages. Option: add crumbled fried bacon. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.